Look, glowing up does not mean you have to change your entire life overnight. It is really just about fixing the small things that most of us overlook. Let's go through 30 easy ways to do it. Number 1. Spray cologne on your skin. When you put on cologne, don't spray it on your clothes. Put a quick spray on your skin instead, so the scent lasts much longer. Number 2. Clip your nails weekly. Try to clip your fingernails every single week. People really do notice dirty or long nails, even if they don't say anything. Number 3. Fix your posture. If you find yourself slouching, just pull your shoulders back a bit. Standing up tall instantly makes you look more put together. Number 4. Drink morning water. Keep a glass of water by your bed and drink it right when you wake up. It does wonders for waking up your tired skin. Number 5. Use a lip balm. Grab a basic lip balm and use it daily. Dry, chapped lips can easily ruin a clean look. Number 6. Use less hair product. When styling your hair, start with a tiny bit of product. You can always add more, but too much makes your hair look greasy. Number 7. Check shirt shoulders. When buying shirts, make sure the shoulder seam sits right where your shoulder ends. If it sags down, the shirt is too big. Number 8. Clean your eyebrows. Take a quick look in the mirror and pluck those few stray hairs between your eyebrows. Keeping them separated makes a huge difference. Number 9. Wipe your shoes. Give your shoes a quick wipe before you leave the house. Dirty shoes can easily bring down a really good outfit. Number 10. Floss your teeth. Make sure to floss your teeth every night. Brushing is great, but flossing is what actually keeps your breath fresh. Number 11. Clean your neckline. Keep your neck clean by shaving the hair below your beard line. It makes your beard look much sharper. Number 12. Swap out your pillowcase once or twice a week. It keeps oil and dirt from building up and causing breakouts on your face. Number 13. Splash cold water. Wash your face with cold water in the morning. It helps reduce that puffy, tired look we all get when we wake up. Number 14. Breathe through your nose. Try to focus on breathing through your nose rather than your mouth. It actually helps keep your jawline looking more defined over time. Number 15. Iron out wrinkles. If your clothes are wrinkled, don't just wear them anyway. Spend a minute steaming or ironing them so you look sharp. Number 16. Put on sunscreen. Put on a little bit of sunscreen every single morning. Even on cloudy days, the sun can still damage and age your skin. Number 17. Match socks and pants. Try to match the color of your socks to your pants. It creates a smooth line and makes you look a bit taller. Number 18. Use hand lotion. Keep a small bottle of hand lotion nearby. Rough, dry hands are never a good feeling when you go to shake someone's hand. Number 19. Skip shampoo daily. You don't need to shampoo your hair every single day. Rinsing it with water is fine, as too much soap dries it out. Number 20. Scrape your tongue. Use a tongue scraper when you brush. Most bad breath actually comes from the tongue, not the teeth. Number 21. Wear a simple watch. Wear a simple, classic watch. It is an easy way to make any basic outfit look 10 times better. Number 22. Take warm showers. Don't take boiling hot showers. Warm water is much better because super hot water strips the natural oils from your skin. Number 23. Match belt and shoes. If you are wearing leather shoes, try to match your belt to that same leather color. It ties the whole look together. Number 24. Stretch in the morning. Spend just 2 minutes stretching when you get out of bed. It gets your blood flowing and helps you move better all day. Number 25. Wash behind your ears. Remember to wash behind your ears when you shower. It is a spot that is easy to forget, but can build up dirt quickly. Number 26. Use cold spoons. If you woke up with dark circles, press 2 cold metal spoons under your eyes for a minute to soothe the skin. Number 27. Run a lint roller over your dark clothes before heading out. It instantly makes old black shirts look brand new. Number 28. Smile more often. Try to smile a bit more when you make eye contact. A simple, friendly look makes you way more approachable. Number 29. Moisturize damp skin. Put your moisturizer on right after you pat your face dry. It locks in the moisture while your skin is still a little damp. Number 30. Put your phone away. Keep your phone away from your bed at night. Getting a good night of sleep is the absolute best way to look refreshed. You don't have to do all of these at once. Just pick 2 or 3 to start with and see how you feel.